morning everybody. Leaving La Robla now towards something like Poladura della Tertia, something like that. I think it's generally a flat with a mild gradient, but it really sweeps uphill right towards the end, so the whole day is a warm-up for the end bit. Who's drilling? Not sure where that's coming from. Hopefully the scenery is going to get a bit better today. Tomorrow is going to be the really interesting one, where I cannot find any accommodation at all. So that might be another under a nice bush kind of thing. But we'll see. That's where the adventure lies, isn't it?
Waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dream's been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold.
Following the train lines for quite a bit of today, I think it's probably about a day and a half to actually get to the raw, majestic beauty again. But if you're looking hard enough, you can find beauty everywhere.
Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever want to start all